Hi students, in this class we are going to discuss about Wien's displacement law. So according to this law, see, every black body emits a energy. So every black body emits energy at particular wavelength. Okay, at particular wavelength the energy emitted will be maximum. At particular wavelength energy emitted will be maximum. This lambda I am writing as lambda m. Okay, at particular wavelength energy emitted will be maximum for black body. In general, black body energy is not proportional or it varies irregularly with wavelength. Black body, what is E? Energy radiated by black body per unit area per unit time. So that is irregular with wavelength. But for some cases, at particular time, particular wavelength, the energy released by black body will be maximum. So this wavelength, so this is what you understood. After this wavelength lambda m is inversely proportional to temperature. Okay, so listen carefully. At particular value of lambda energy is released. Okay, this lambda is inversely proportional to temperature. So to remove this, lambda m is equal to constant by T. Okay, so lambda m into T is equal to this constant key C, constant C. The value generally they denote with B. Okay, just keep it as B. So B is written as Wien's displacement constant. And the value of it is 2.82 into 10 power minus 3. What will be the unit? Meter Kelvin. Meter into Kelvin. Okay, so if you see this graph, energy wavelength, energy emitted, and this is the peak value. Okay, the peak value. So the peak values are E lambda 1, E lambda 2, E lambda 3. These are the maximum energies at particular temperature or particular wavelength. See, corresponding to the wavelength. Now you just see temperatures. Three parameters are, one is energy, one is wavelength, another one is temperature. Okay, so if I see the relation, what about E lambda 1 and at temperature T3, temperature is more but wavelength is less. Okay, lambda 3 corresponding to lambda 3. T3 is more and lambda 3 is less. And next you just see E lambda 2, second case, and energy temperature, okay, wavelength, temperature 2 T2 and corresponding to wavelength. Okay, and it is proportionally varying. As the temperature is decreasing, wavelength is increasing. See the third part, T1 and lambda m1. So wavelength is increasing according to the temperature. Okay, there is no such difficult questions in it. So Wien's displacement law, you should just remember lambda max is equal to B by T, where T is a temperature. So from a wavelength that is received, we can find the temperature of the body. Okay, so these are the some graphs for the different it is recorded from different stars. Okay, at particular wavelength they are exhibiting some particular energy. Okay, this if we drew the lines here, so this represents approximately the lambda value. And we'll see some few examples on it. A spectral energy distributed sun has a maximum wavelength. Okay, spectral energy and maximum wavelength. How much is the wavelength? Okay, spectral energy, okay, one second. Spectral energy distribution of the sun has maximum at 4753. So E lambda is maximum at a wavelength at lambda m is equal to 4753 angstroms. If the temperature of the sun is 6050 kelvins, so temperature of the sun is given 6050 kelvins. What is the temperature of the star for which the maximum wavelength is, is saying that lambda m is equal to 9506 angstroms. What will be the temperature there? temperature will be how much. So according to him, so lambda m into T s is equal to lambda m prime T prime I am writing is equal to constant B. It is also equal to lambda m prime into T prime. So we know lambda m is nothing but 4753 into Ts is nothing but 6050, which is equal to lambda m prime 9506 into T prime. So from the here you can get the value of temperature. And let's see, wavelength corresponding to E max on the moon is, so lambda is equal to 14 into 10 power minus 6 meters. Estimate the surface temperature of the moon. So lambda so B value is given, lambda is equal to B by T and T is equal to B by lambda. So B is given 2.884 into 10 power minus 3 by lambda is equal to 14 into 10 power minus 6. Simplify this, you will get the temperature of the sun. So from this Venus displacement equations we can find the temperature on the different planets. Okay, one last question. Temperature of the surface of a hot body, temperature is given 1 to 27 degrees Celsius. Find the wavelength at which radiation is maximum. Given a Wien's constant, see he is changed to centimeters, but we can change the values centimeters to meters also. So temperature at degree Celsius given, you should convert into kelvins, 273. You can keep 1500 kelvins. Okay, T is equal to B by lambda. Okay, he is asking what wavelength, right? Okay, lambda is equal to B by, what is the value of B? So 0.2898 into 10 power minus 2 meter Kelvin by temperature is 1500 Kelvin. Kelvin gets cancelled. If you do simplification, you will get the value of lambda wavelength. Thank you.